Capable of paring, coring and slicing, paring only, slicing and coring only. Mounting clamp for counters up to 1.75, 4.5 cm thick. Also ideal for potatoes and pears. Recipes and instructions included. Hand washing recommended. Norpro Apple-Mate 2, 864 gray, blue. The original apple parer, corer and slicer works fast and easy. Capable of paring, coring and slicing, paring only, or slicing and coring only. Features a Stay Sharp, deluxe stainless steel blade. Not just for apple paring, coring and slicing. Use the Norpro Apple-Mate and Apple-Master to create curly fries, chips on a stick using russets or sweet potatoes. Scallop potatoes. Quickly create onion twists to deep fry, make French onion soup or to garnish a steak or hamburger. Core and slice pears for dessert. Screw to tighten onto counters up to 1.75, 4.5 cm thick. Recipes and instructions included. Hand washing recommended. Top reviews from the United States. One of my best kitchen items. I purchased this for a friend who mentioned how difficult it's been for her to peel and core apples lately. She does pies and applesauce. Haven't heard from her yet, but I've had one for years and it works wonderfully once you get the hang of it. Cleans with clear running water and air dries. Adjusting the peeler can be a bit tricky so you don't demolish the apple. I've found firmer apples to work best, i.e. Granny Smith, Honey Crisp. Softer apples work, you just lose more pulp. I prefer how it sits almost anywhere on my counter as opposed to the clamp kind which requires a squared edge countertop. Never had a problem with the suction cup, though you don't want water to get under the rubber bottom as it would probably rust. Would definitely recommend this item.